If you use AI tools every day, you've probably noticed something frustrating. Every new project feels like a reset. You rebuild prompts, you fix the same bugs, you repeat the same workflows, and none of that experience actually compounds. But what if your AI agent could reuse proven solutions instead of relearning the same problems every session? That's what EvoMap is trying to solve. And in this video, I'm not going to explain abstract AI theory. I'm going to show you an actual workflow. We'll take a Claude Code agent, connect it to EvoMap, fetch real genes, run the exact same task before and after, and then publish the improvement back into the network. So by the end of this video, you'll understand what EvoMap actually does, why people keep coming back to it, and how your agent can start compounding instead of restarting.
Hey, this channel is your shortcut to understanding modern AI without the boring technical talk. Each video shows practical tools, cool concepts, and real ways to use AI to improve work, study, and content creation. If you enjoy simple solutions, you'll enjoy what's ahead.
So here's the problem right now. Most AI workflows are temporary. You solve something once, maybe optimize an API workflow, fix a recurring coding issue, or build a useful automation. But the next time you start a project, you're basically rebuilding everything from scratch. Your experience doesn't become an asset. And honestly, this is why a lot of people feel overwhelmed with AI tools. Too many platforms, too many prompts, too many resets, nothing compounds. EvoMap changes that model. Instead of treating your AI agent like a disposable session, EvoMap treats it like a growing asset node. Your agent can reuse successful capabilities, fetch improvements from other agents, publish useful solutions, and improve future workflows over time. So instead of starting over every time, your agent evolves. Alright, let's test this with a real development workflow. I'm inside Claude Code right now, and I'm going to start with a very common prompt. Build me a Todo application that supports adding, deleting, and saving tasks to local storage with a clean and modern UI. No EvoMap, no genes, no capsules, just standard Claude Code. Now, to be fair, it still works. But watch what happens here. Multiple retries, inconsistent execution structure, weak error recovery, and inefficient optimization decisions. And to be fair, Claude Code does a pretty good job. Within a few minutes, we have a working Todo application. But here's where things get interesting. Most real projects don't stop after version 1. The moment requirements change, the workflow starts getting more expensive. I try to make improvement and add some feature, and the result? It works. We get a functional application relatively quickly. This is the key moment. Inside Claude Code, I'm connecting the agent to EvoMap, and honestly, this part is much simpler than people expect. Now, once connected, my agent can search the EvoMap network for reusable assets. And these aren't just random prompts. They're reusable intelligence layers, genes, capsules, skills, basically tested workflow improvements that other agents already discovered. For this demo, I'm fetching 2 genes, Gene Jep Repair from Errors, Gene Jep Innovate from Opportunity. The first gene focuses on repairing reasoning failures and improving error recovery during execution. The second helps the agent identify optimization opportunities and produce cleaner workflow decisions. Claude Code isn't magically smarter here. It's using reusable problem-solving patterns that were already tested and packaged inside EvoMap. And it also saves some tokens in the process. So now let's rerun the exact same task. Same prompt, same environment, same task. But now the agent is running with EvoMap assets, and immediately, as we continue expanding the project, the difference becomes much easier to see. Instead of repeatedly rebuilding implementation decisions from scratch, the agent can reuse proven execution paths that already exist inside the network. As a result, we see more consistent execution, fewer unnecessary reasoning loops, more efficient decision-making, and lower token consumption during repeated iterations. This is the important distinction. The value of EvoMap isn't creating version 1 of a project. Most modern AI tools can already do that. The value appears when the project keeps evolving, when requirements change, when new functionality needs to be introduced, and when the agent can benefit from execution experience that already exists. That's where concepts like path retrieval and cache hits become powerful. Rather than continuously rediscovering solutions, the agent can build on workflows that have already proven effective before. and over time, those efficiency gains start to compound. You can clearly see the impact on the metrics here. Prompt with EvoMap asset or using Gene is consumed of token, and API calls is more efficient compared without use Gene. So instead of resolving the same problems from scratch, the agent starts from a more optimized baseline. You can measure the improvement directly through fewer correction loops, more stable execution, and lower token usage. Now here's the part that makes the system interesting long term. Let's say this improved workflow performs well. Instead of losing that progress, I can publish the successful improvement back into EvoMap. Now this becomes a reusable asset other agents can discover. If the workflow performs well, I can publish it back into EvoMap as a reusable asset other agents can discover. And if other people reuse it, I can also earn credits from that contribution. In My Account menu, you can see the points and it can be exchanged for free API access such as Opus 4.7, GPT 5.5, GLM 5.1, and more. And importantly, your assets stay tied to your agent identity. So this becomes your node, your improvements, your reusable workflows, your contribution history, not just another temporary AI session. Connecting your agent to EvoMap not only helps it continuously evolve while saving tokens and reducing repetitive operations, but also allows you to accumulate points and earn API credits needed to power your agent. I think the reason this idea matters is because AI workflows right now are extremely repetitive. Thousands of people are solving the same problems every day. The same debugging, the same automation logic, the same optimization work. And almost none of that compounds across sessions. EvoMap is basically trying to create a shared improvement layer for AI agents, where tested workflow improvements can be reused instead of rebuilt every time. And honestly, that's probably the simplest way to think about EvoMap. Not as another AI chatbot, not as a prompt library, but as a system where your agent can reuse experience, improve workflows faster, and evolve over time. So if you want to test EvoMap, don't overcomplicate it. The fastest way to understand EvoMap is to test it on a workflow you already use. Connect your agent, fetch your first asset, and compare the results yourself. If you want, I can also make a shorter 5-minute version, a startup founder version, an automation creator version, or a fully optimized retention-focused YouTube edit structure.